Greetings everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Dwight, aka Sergeant Smoove. One day I will describe to you why I go up under the moniker of Sergeant Smoove. But today, for your enjoyment, we will be cooking a pork butt, and we're going to turn it into some pulled pork. We're going to use a North Carolina style barbecue sauce. We're also going to put some purple coleslaw on there. You're in for a real treat. People love it when I do this. So it's going to slow cook. This cook should take anywhere from 6 to 10 hours. We're looking for a temperature of approximately 200 degrees. And so I'm going to take you with me through this journey, and we're going to make it happen. So you stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, if there's any pointers, tips, or tricks that you'd like to share with me, I'm open to it. Just leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Let's go. Okay, people, we're about to get this thing going. First thing you want to do is start your smoker going. And as you see, we kind of got it dialed in. Right close to that 250 degree mark. Now, of course, you know, I'm using lump charcoal and some of my favorite wood. And what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and get the meat and add it to my smoker. So stay tuned. Here's the meat right here. And I'm cooking a variety of things, but we're gonna focus on this butt right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out to the smoker and get it going to where it needs to be. It's a beautiful day again here in Chicago. 2 weeks in a row. Can you believe that? It's actually warm, no rain. Neighbors are playing music, and you know, everyone's chilling out, and we getting this nice little smoke on today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here, and I'll show you what it looks like on there. Please stay tuned. But I got my fire trying to creep up, so let me go and get this covered up and get everything going the way it needs. I'm back, people, and this is the part that keeps me going. It's time for the spray, which will spray these once an hour, especially my pulled pork down there, which is the main focus of everything. Don't pay these ribs no mind. You already seen how I did those, and we're gonna get to the chicken. Matter of fact, on the next episode, I'm gonna hit you with the old jerk chicken. So you're in for a really special treat when I do that. But this here, it's just the first spray. You know, we're still maintaining the temperature up there around 250 degrees. And so we will return with the next spray, and we'll do it like that. Until then, stay tuned, my people. Sergeant Smoove here, and we're at hour 3. And if you look at the temperature, we creeped a little bit above 250. And so now I'm going to go ahead and start pulling some of the meat to wrap. Like you see, I got my ribs right there. I got some chicken in here, right here, that's doing pretty good. Then you look down there, you see my pulled pork, which is at the color I want to keep it. So in a few minutes, I'll be back so we can get to the little wrap. I'll see you soon. Okay, and we are back. And so now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm using butcher paper. It's an experiment. And right now I'm gonna probe the meat and get that probe in there really good. So I can keep hold of what temperatures I'm at during this cook. So I got it in there real good. And we're shooting for a temperature, like I said, of 200. My thing is, a lot of times they tend to want to stall on me. So I'm hoping that I can get through that stall. If anyone knows techniques on how to get through the stall a little quicker, I would really appreciate it. Right now, we're at like 172 degrees. And so, yeah, it's hard to kind of wrap while I'm holding this camera. It is an iPhone. Pretty soon the video is going to be shot a lot better, but this is what I have right now. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this. I'm going to wrap it real tight and get it back on the smoker. Talk to you soon. So it's been a long day. It's like after midnight, but we got this thing done. We really did. And pulling the paper off, I have this small pull fork. Here it is. Look at it. I had the probe in there. Got us to 200 degrees. I'm going to throw a glove on, so stand fast. And so, first test I want to do is grab this bone and just give it a pull, and it should come right out. And pretty much mean we in there. Look how clean it is. So, that is the bone. So I'm going to go on and put that to the side real quick. And then, you see how much juice is on there? Oh my God. This thing is like so juicy. Get this other one out of here if it come out. Well, get some stuff with that one. So we're going to go ahead and move this. I'm going to go ahead and pause it for a second and get this paper out the way. Because I'm not tripoded up and everything. And I'm just doing this like on my own. What I am going to do is use these claws and go ahead and pull the pork, and I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. Also, you'll see I made some Carolina style barbecue sauce, and I love to put that on my pulled pork. It just tastes so delicious. It's with the vinegary flavor. To me, you can't beat it. So let me go ahead and get this pulled, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, people. So here we go. Sergeant Smoove's pulled pork. As you see, this is what I spent the whole day planning and making. And hopefully it was worth the treat. In future videos, I will show you guys how I pulled everything, and also show you more tips and pointers from my perspective. I enjoy doing it, and I look forward to doing more videos. Matter of fact, coming up, I will be doing jerk chicken, which will be in approximately a week, and we'll do that. I'll see you then. But right now, I'm gonna enjoy some of this sandwich. I've been waiting all day for this. And so now it's about time for me to go ahead and dig in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any pointers, like I say, leave them in the comments below. Thanks a lot for spending this day with me, and I'll see you next time.